Today we're going to be starting Unit 6. 6a is describe the relationships among the solutions of an equation, zeros of a function, x-intercepts of a graph, and factors of the polynomial expression. We're also going to be talking about 6b today, so get ready for that. So this is 6a. Just going to jump straight into examples. Find the factors from the given zeros. Now, factors. Factors are from an equation, and we find them by looking at the graph, looking at zeros. Some of you remember factoring from Algebra 1. We're actually going to use the calculators to factor. Given that these are x-intercepts, or it's also called zeros. Zeros, x-intercepts, solutions, and roots are all the same thing. They're all the same. Interchangeably, we use them. So these are all the x-intercepts. To find the factors, all we do is we set each x-intercept equal to x. Now we just need to solve, make it equal to 0. So take the x-intercept, make it equal 0. For negative 2, x equals negative 2, the factor is x plus 2. Factor for x equals 4, make it equal 0, x minus 4. So the factor is x minus 4. Next, x equals 1/3. 1/3 is a little different. Well, we can start out by subtracting 1/3. So that's not any different. But now we don't want fractions. I don't want fractions in here. So then, to get rid of a fraction, multiply by the denominator, base 3. Distribute it in. So the factor for this is 3x minus 1. So each factor, what's in parentheses, these are the factors. X plus 2, x minus 4, and 3x minus 1. For example 2, what is the apparent roots of the equation graphed on the coordinate plane? Roots are x-intercepts. Our x-intercepts at negative 1 and 3. From this, I may ask, find the factors. So our factors for when x equals negative 1. Make it equal 0. Our factor is x plus 1. Our x-intercepts at 3. Our factor is x minus 3. So those are our factors. That is pretty much all 6a is. 6b is determine the factored form of the polynomial expression from the x-intercepts of the graph of its corresponding function. Alright, let's jump right into it. So from 6a we know how to factor. So when the x-intercept's negative 4, we add 4 to get its factor. X plus 4 equals 0. When we have a fraction, do the same thing, subtract 1/2. And we can't have fractions with our factors, so multiply by the denominator. 2x minus 1 equals 0. So, factored form. It's a function, f of x. F of x equals, first factor was x plus 4. Factored means multiplying, so 2x minus 1. We multiply it together, and this is the factored form of the polynomial function. Okay, last example. We're going to do the exact same thing, write a polynomial function in factored form. We have 4 mult 2. This means it's a double x-intercept at 4. So this is like having 4, 4, and -3 for your x-intercepts. So we have to write the factored form of this. We have when x equals 4, the factor is x minus 4. Even when you have another one, it's going to be x minus 4. And the last one, when x-intercepts -3, add 3. So, since it is a function, you need f of x. You have g of x, c of x, doesn't matter. As long as you have f of x, something of x, that's a function. X minus 4 times x minus 4 times x plus 3. But some of you right now are saying, Mr. Johnson, we have 2x minus 4s. So why can't we rewrite it? Well, we certainly can. We have x minus 4 squared. We have 2 of them. And x plus 3. There would be my final answer. So come to class with any kind of questions. Thank you. The last problem here, this is what your quiz is going to be on, this last example. This is on example 4.